guys! My name is Grace and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video guys, as you can see, very smoky ang ating makeup today kasi ito yung ginawa kong look. And I just fancy doing like smoky eyes, like smoky brown eyes. Madali lang siyang gawin guys, I promise you, kasi hindi naman ako gumagawa ng makeup tutorial dito na sobrang mahirap. Hindi naman tayo professional guys, so we just do our makeup, you know, ourselves. So kailangan madali lang siyang gawin, pero at the same time, yung mukhang disente, diba? Anyway guys, kung gusto niyo makita kung paano ko ginawa itong makeup look na ito, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's start na. So first, maglalagay lang ako ng primer. I will be using this L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Primer. There you go. So I'm just going to prime my face. Okay, sa foundation guys na gagamitin ko is this one. This is from LA Girl. Pro Matte High Definition Matte Foundation. Ayan. So, I'm using the shade Sand. So, I'm going to use 2 pumps guys. No. 1 pump lang yan. Ayan, tignan nyo. 1.5 pump lang pala gagamitin ko. Ayan. So, first, inilalagay ko lang muna siya dito sa aking face. Tignan natin. Baka magdagdag ako mamaya kasi feeling ko kailangan ko magdagdag. Kasi marami tayong kailangan takpan dyan sa ating face. Ayan. And then, I normally blend my foundation using a damp sponge. Kasi feeling ko mas flawless tignan, guys. At saka, hindi nag-iiwan ng streaks. Ayan. So, this foundation, guys, has a medium to full coverage. Ayan. So, actually, maganda yung finish niya, guys. Ayan. So, ayan yung foundation, guys. And then, I'm going to use concealer. Full coverage concealer to, guys, from Revolution. Maganda itong concealer na to, actually, guys. Meron siyang giant doe foot applicator. Ayan. So, nilalagay ko lang dito sa aking under eye, tapos dito. And, I also put some here. Tsaka dito. Ayan. And then, let's blend it with my damp sponge. Ayan. And then next guys, iset ko lang ang aking concealer using loose powder. Ayan. So ilalagay ko yung name sa screen guys para makita nyo din. Kasi minsan hindi ko na-mention yung ginagamit kong product. So ilalagay ko siya sa screen. Ayan. So ayan yung powder. Set ko lang yung aking concealer. Isaset ko lang yung aking face, like the rest of my face, using a pressed powder. Ayan. So, this is from Wet n Wild. Ayan. And then next, guys, gagawin ko lang ang aking kilay off camera kasi gumawa na ako ng separate video kung paano ko ginagawa yung kilay ko. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description box, guys, kung gusto mong panoodin. But anyway, ang gagamitin kong pangkilay today is this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in Ash Brown. And then, isiset ko siya ng tinted brow gel from NYX. Ayan. So, ito yung gagamitin kong pangkilay, guys, today. So, yeah. I'll be right back. Ayun guys, tapos ko ng aking eyebrows. By the way guys, minix ko pala itong dalawang kulay na to. So, I mixed them together to do my eyebrows. So, next guys, maglagay tayo ng eyeshadows. I will be using this Revolution palette. Hindi ko pa actually nagamit tong palette na to. So, this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure, ano lang siya. Mura lang tong palette na to, guys. But, I know, like, all the Revolution products, guys, is sobrang pigmented and it's really worth it because it's very affordable. But the quality is there. So, it's really good. Anyway, so ito yung gagamitin ko. So, madaling makeup lang. Madaling eyeshadow lang gagawin natin, of course. So, right. So, let's warm up our crease using this shade, guys. The only thing, guys, with this palette, wala siyang salamin. So, you can't really, well, you can bring this on holiday, pero hindi siya handy kasi wala siyang salamin. So, you have to bring your own mirror. Pero, mura lang naman siya. So let's warm up our face, guys. Ayan. And then next, guys, kunin natin itong shade na to. Ayan. Tapos lagay natin siya sa outer V, tapos sa crease din. I'm just using the same brush, by the way. Ganyan. Tapos, blend natin sa crease. Yan. Dahan-dahan lang tayo, guys, kasi, like I said, it's very pigmented, this palette. So, ayaw mo namang mapa-sobra kagad. So, mas madali yung dagdagan kaysa bawasan. Ayan. So, next, what color? Lagay natin tong shade na to. Ito. Ilalagay ko siya sa aking crease. And then, I think I'm going to put this on my lower lash line as well. Para medyo smoke out ang ating eyes. Ayan. And then next, guys, kukunin ko tong brush na ginamit ko kanina. I-blend ko lang yung edges. Parang hindi na masyadong kita yung nilagay natin sa outer V. So, magdagdag tayo. Itong shade na to. So, magdagdag tayo. Actually, parang hindi na nga talaga siya makikita. Pero, at least, ilagay natin siya sa ating crease, diba? So, yeah. Kasi dark din yung nilagay natin sa ating eyelid. So, parang hindi na siya masyadong kita. Ayan, guys. Ayan na ating eye makeup. So, next, maglalagay lang ako ng etong chocolate na lip liner. Actually, gagamitin ko siya as a eyeliner, like in my waterline. So, yeah, why not, diba? So, lagay natin siya sa ating waterline. So, next, guys, maglagay tayo ng mascara sa ating lashes. Ayan, guys. So, next, maglalagay na ako ng contour. Ito yung gagamitin kong pang-contour. Ito yung favorite kong pang-contour, guys, from the drugstore. From LA Girl. Ayan. This is in the shade medium, by the way. So, sa mga morena katulad ko, medium, guys, yung gamitin ninyo. So, yeah. Contour natin ang ating face. Ayan. Tignan nyo naman. Sobrang pigmented nito. Talagang binibigyan niya ng shape, guys, yung ano mo, yung face mo. Konti din dito sa aking temple area. Ayan. And then, syempre, yung jawline natin. Takpan natin yung mga fats natin dyan, best. Dahil hindi tayo nagda-diet. Tapos, yung nose, syempre. Ayan, diba? Instant slim yan, guys, yung pagkukontour. Okay, so next, guys, maglagay tayo ng blush from Wet n Wild. Ayan, so ito yung gagamitin ko. And then, syempre, hindi mawawala sa aking makeup ang pag-highlights. Ayan, so ayan yung gagamitin kong highlighter. By the way, this is my favorite highlighter, guys. This is from Dull Light Shine Bright. Ayan. Blinding yung highlighter na to, guys. Hala, ayan, oh. Ayan. Tapos, maglalagay din ako ng itong highlighter na to sa aking inner corner para medyo ma-brighten up ang aking inner corner. Ayan, no, diba? Sobrang pigmented ng highlighter na to. Okay, so for the liquid lipstick, guys, I will be using itong Colourpop Ultra Satin Liquid Lipstick in the shade Calypso. So, actually, guys, this liquid lipstick, dati, siya yung ano ko, like, my go-to liquid lipstick. Itong shade na to. Kasi maganda talaga siya. Ayan, diba? Pang ano lang, pang everyday, actually, yung kulay na to. I really like this shade. Anyway, guys, ayusin ko lang ang aking hair and I'll be right back. Hi guys! So, ito na ang ating finished look. Sana nagustuhan nyo tong look na ginawa natin. By the way, naglagay ako ng contact lens, guys. This is from TTDI. Ang shade na suot ko is Egypt Brown. So, ayan. Anyway, guys, salamat sa panonood and I hope you like this video. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again next time. Bye!